You're alright, Kai.
Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. How are you? Want to say hi, baby? Hi, baby.
Shut up, Tank.
And here's the birds. And then there's Cheddar. And then there's Ruby. She's being strange. And then Samson. And Nike.
You have a way out, you stupid little hooker. I just put a chain right there.
Maybe he likes it.
I'm thinking so. Or this is gonna be funny. Where's Daisy going?
I don't know. Daisy's calling. Pookie, do you not know how to get out?
I don't know, but he's really cute like that.
He is. He's adorable. Looking at his fabulous self. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Come here. Want to step up? There she goes. Wild animals everywhere. I own a petting zoo, somewhat.
Cheddar, get over here.
Cages, yay!
And tomorrow we bring Ducky home.
Yeah, we get Ducky tomorrow, so I'll put another video up later, okay?